was that?
Give me a camera.
All right.
I go around the fish.
No, let me tell the story of what happened. So over there, yeah, that we were just over there, and it was a very sad place because it was
I thought I was the camera.
oh, not right now. It's
Fire.
yay, fire! And the camera turns out Ethan or me, probably me,
Because you were the
flipped
one.
the camera over.
So now then it would be sideways.
The whole video was ruined. It was a good video. It was hilarious.
Yeah.
Not as hilarious as Ethan hitting his foot in anger on the brick.
Ooh.
Keep your foot there. Keep your foot there.
Should I go around the fish again?
Yeah. All right. Little truck dude over there. All right. So yeah, I think we're gonna go back to that thing and do whatever Ethan did on there.
Where, on the fish?
No, to the sign.
Oh, yeah, okay. First I have to go around the fish.
Are you going around the fish? Let me go around the fish. Actually, you go around the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, my phone just said it's 8 o'clock.
You're watching. Whatever.
Eat me.
I wish I could make this cooler by doing this. Only
Hey, the fish's butt. It
Fishes?
oops out of that. Hey, think I can do this? Yay!
But, why did I show that? Subscribe! Here's his giant fin. And here's the rest of the fish. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Jaws, but it's catfish edition.
There's the fin at the top. Here's the fin at the bottom. Hi, Luke.
Hi, Ethan.
Boom, boom, boom. Wait, what was that? Wow! Let me see. That's his eye. See up there? It's his eye.
Yeah, I know. I definitely didn't know that catfish and other fish didn't have eyes.
Apple tree.
Give me the camera. Give me my baby!
Trees are over there.
Yeah, we already went there.
Yeah.
Now we just need to go back to the sign, but there's a truck dude over there, so I don't know if it's safe.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ethan's gonna lead us. How do you feel about camping?
Good. This is part 3.
I think it's horrible.
This is part 3 if you didn't know.
All
We
right.
did part 2 before we ate hot dogs, as we mentioned in the last bad video. Why is there some guy parked on the... Read what the sign says.
Welcome, Wahpeton, North Dakota.
Yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and goodbye.
I accidentally left the video on.
Goodbye!